Decoding, it's a no-brainer. Simplifying English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, "it's a no-brainer." This expression is quite popular in everyday English conversations, and understanding it can significantly enhance your language skills. So, let's break it down together and make it as simple as possible. The phrase, "it's a no-brainer," is used to describe a decision or a choice that is very easy to make, requiring very little or no thought at all. The term, no-brainer, suggests that you don't even need to use your brain to make the decision because the answer is so obvious. It's often used in situations where one option is clearly more beneficial or less risky than the others. Although we won't dive too deep into its history, it's interesting to note that the term, no-brainer, is relatively modern, believed to have originated in the United States around the mid-20th century. It reflects the idea that some decisions are so straightforward that they don't require intellectual effort. To fully grasp the use of, "it's a no-brainer," let's look at some examples. Choosing safety. When it comes to wearing a helmet while biking, it's a no-brainer. Financial decisions. Investing in health insurance is a no-brainer for the sake of your family's well-being. Daily choices. Picking the shorter, traffic-free route was a no-brainer. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing decisions that are made quickly due to their obvious benefits. Understanding synonyms can expand your ability to express the same idea differently. Here are some synonyms for, "it's a no-brainer." Obvious choice, easy decision, clear-cut decision. These alternatives can be used interchangeably depending on the context of the conversation. And there you have it. "It's a no-brainer" is a handy expression to denote an easy decision, one that doesn't require much thought because the best choice is so clear. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about immersing yourself in the nuances of the language. See you in the next video, and keep practicing.